this is what a broken server looks like. In my last video, I showed you how to check your server's health with dh-h, free-h, systemctl status. You ran the commands. And now you're staring at this. Red text, scary words, no idea what to do next. Here's the good news. Almost every beginner hits the exact same 5 errors, and every single one of them has a fast and safe fix. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to type when your server throws these errors at you. Let's fix your server. Quick note, if you haven't seen the health check video yet, links on the screen and in the description. This video picks up right where that one left off, so let's go through these one by one. Error number 1, you're trying to edit a file or run a script and you get this. The symptom, permission denied. That's it, no explanation. The root cause, here's why this is happening. Linux is protecting the system files. Your normal user account isn't allowed to touch them. Only the admin called root or someone using sudo can. The fix? First, try the simple fix. Run the command with sudo in front of it. Sudo means do this as admin, just this once. It'll ask for your password, type it, you won't see it appear, that's normal, and hit enter. If it's a file you own but still get denied, check the permissions. This means the owner, Matt, cannot read and write but can execute it. To make it runnable, type in chmod +x myscript.sh. Press enter, and now we're going to verify that with ls-l myscript.sh and press enter. One warning, never run sudo chmod trip7 on something just to make an error disappear. That opens the file to everyone. We'll cover safe permission properly in a future video, but for now, +x is all you need. Error 2. Remember df-h from the last video? This time it shows 100% used, and now anything you try to save fails with this. The symptom, no space left on the device. Your disk is completely full. Usually, it's not one giant file. It's leftover package files and log files quietly piling up over months. The fix. Step 1. Clear the package cache. This is completely safe and just deletes downloaded install files you don't need anymore. Just press enter on sudo apt clean, and it runs the command. Step 2. Find out what's actually taking up space. Use du to check folder sizes. This lists the 10 biggest folders under var. That's usually where logs and cache piles up. Sort-rh sorts the biggest file first. If var log is huge, don't delete any logs manually. Use this instead. It's built up exactly for this job. Sudo journalctl --vacuum -size equals 200 megs. This shrinks your system logs down to 200 megabytes automatically. Safely, no guessing which files got deleted. Run df-h again, and your space is back. You just set up a brand new server. You're trying to install a cool new tool, a utility, and a Linux throws a nasty error saying it can't find it. The cause. Your brand new Linux server is working off an outdated or blank shopping list. It literally doesn't know where to look on the internet for the software until you tell it to update its list. The fix. Before you try installing anything on a fresh Linux machine, you must always run sudo apt update. This fetches the absolute latest software catalog from the Ubuntu or Debian servers. Once that finishes running, you type your install command again, sudo apt install neofetch. Press enter, and just like that, the error's fixed. Error 5, and this one ties everything together. You try starting a service, and instead of running, it immediately fails. For example, sudo systemctl start nginx. The symptom, it failed to start. No details on why. The root cause, the service crashed on startup. Usually a config mistake or port already being used by something else. Don't guess. Ask the system directly what went wrong. Start with the status. So systemctl status nginx and press enter. On this one, I have it running, but we're also going to go into more detail. And that command is sudo journalctl-xe. Shows you the most recent system logs with extra details. The -x and jumps to the end. The -e is where the real error message is hiding. Once you spot the actual cause, say another program is already using the port, fix that specific problem and then restart the service. We're going to use sudo systemctl restart nginx. No output, that means it's working. Since we restarted it, I want to now get the status. Go ahead, type in systemctl status nginx and press enter. Green, active, running. That's what success looks like. Let's recap really fast. First, we had permission denied. Use sudo or chmod if it's your own file. No space left. Clean up with apt clean. Find the mess with du-sh. Shrink the logs with journalctl vacuum. The next one, connection refused. Check and restart the service with systemctl. The next one, unable to locate package. Run app update, verify the package name, and try again. The last one, failed to start. Systemctl status, then journalctl-xe to find the real reason. 5 errors, 5 fixes, no more panic when you see red text. These 5 fixes will cover probably 90% of what you're going to run into as a beginner. But servers throw new surprises constantly, and that's exactly what this channel is for. If you're building out your own home lab or managing your first Linux server, hit subscribe. New videos dropping every week.